Did you know that if you're a woman over 40, yoga is absolutely one of the best things that you can do for yourself? Yeah, maybe your doctor has suggested that you try yoga. Maybe you're looking for a gentle form of exercise to help you to stay active and strong. Maybe you're starting to get annoying menopause symptoms or even those frustrating aches and pains, knee pain, hip pain, back pain. I've had them all. I get it. So this is part one of a series that's dedicated to you. It's dedicated to women over 40 who want to come back to yoga or haven't done yoga for a long time. So if you don't know me, I'm Karin from Karin Yoga Life, and I'm a certified yoga teacher and wellness coach. And I came to yoga because my knees started to hurt a lot. I was a modern dancer for a long time and my knees started to hurt. So I knew that if I didn't find something else to do, I was gonna probably have to have a knee replacement in my 40s, which I was desperately trying to avoid. So I started yoga as a way to manage my knee pain. I wanted to stay active. I wanted to stay strong and flexible. So I came to yoga really because of my struggles with joint pain. I became a certified yoga teacher while I was living in New York and didn't actually start teaching till many years later. So now I teach mainly online, mainly to women over 40, and I have specific expertise in teaching yoga for arthritis. So to get started, you don't really need much. You need some comfortable clothes. That's pretty much it. Maybe a yoga mat. You don't absolutely have to have a yoga mat, but it's helpful. I like to use some props, so I like to use a yoga strap, but you don't need to have a yoga strap. You can actually also use a long belt or a scarf. You just want to have something pretty long to hold on to. You can also use a long towel, just something that is pretty long. I also like to use a yoga block or two. Don't absolutely have to have them again, but they are useful and not super expensive. I also like to use a yoga blanket. Again, don't have to have it. You can use a sturdy cushion or a sturdy blanket that you have at home. But if you are interested in any of these props, I have links in the description below that you can check them out. But again, you don't really need them. You can certainly start out without them, and just if you find that you want them, you get them later on. So those are the basic props that you use in yoga. I'm going to be going through in the next couple of videos the basic breathing that we use, modifications for different beginner poses, and I will be touching on lots of different parts of the body and how you can use yoga to stay strong, flexible, mobile, so you can continue to do all the things you love to do for a very long time. So the next video coming up is all about yoga breathing, why the breath is so important. So you can just check it out. It should be coming up next in this series. And if you have any questions or comments, please let me know below so I can do my best to answer them. Thanks again and welcome to the wonderful world of yoga. See you again soon.